it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So I wanted to share with you a Pastelloween swap that I have participated in for Cat's Haunted YouTube Hop. If you don't already know KatPaperLove, she is the sweetest as can be, and she has been doing 100 days of Catoween. If you don't know her on Instagram, please go ahead and follow her as well. I will put all of her information down in the description box below. I wanted to go ahead and share with you. I will upload this video when I know that she has received her goodies, but I wanted to kind of do a quick share of how I packaged my goodies for her. So this is a large priority box, and it's a large flat rate box through the United States Postal Service. It's about $17 and some change. And what I did was I took the box, instead of painting it, I went ahead and I found this Daiso. It's actually from Daiso. It's a sheet that you add to your cabinets. And I really loved the color. I picked it up a while ago and I really loved the color, so I decided to just cut it up and tape it down to the inside of the box. So the inside of the box is all nicely decorated. So let me kind of pan out for you so you can kind of see, have an overview of what it looks like. These are the contents of what were the requirements for our swap, and I will go into detail in a little bit, but I just wanted to share with you. These are some chipboard pieces that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, yes. It was a sign that came together with the hat, this which is in sign that was attached in the middle, and then at the very bottom were the witchy shoes, and I love the colors. It was perfect for the Pastelloween swap. And so what I did was I took some tinsel, some black tinsel, and I just, you know, manipulated it with my fingers, and I spelled out Hello Cat. Her YouTube name is Cat, but her real name is Abby. So, hi Abby. I decorated with it with a couple of these fun little ephemera pieces from Walmart from last year. I was inspired by Liz. Hi Liz, if you're watching. She has been using up her stash, and I have been trying to contain the willpower in purchasing more items, because I am trying to save up for a trip to Ireland next year for my hubby's birthday. So I wanted to use what I had, and this is also a little cat from the Dollar Tree that I picked up last year, as well as this little Boo sticker pack. And also this is from Michael's, a little spider web, as well as some Joann's. That is a little Joann's enamel piece. And the moon is also from Dollar Tree. This is from Hobby Lobby from last year as well. So I'm using up my stash. So one of the requirements for the Pastelloween swap was to create an embellishment book. So this is my embellishment book. And we are also required to do an altered skull, and I do have a video of the details of how I created this skull. It was nice and black with like black soot, and I gessoed it up and added some pink as well as some Bo Bunny gold, and added the gold spider from the 99-cent store, as well as the little floral pieces, foam pieces at the 99-cent store. I added some glass glitter to the eye sockets and a little gem in the nasal cavity, and just kind of sprayed some gold Glimmer Mist. And I added some pearls to the eye sockets as well. So that was another one of the requirements, to just alter a skull. And then you or to also include an 8-ounce a candle, an 8-ounce candle. So I found this at I have the sticker here. I'm gonna, before I package it up, I'm gonna put a little Halloween sticker, but I just wanted to show you that I picked it up at TJ Maxx. No, Home Goods, yes, Home Goods. And so this is a caramel apple. It's uniquely scented and hand-poured candle. It smells delightfully good. And this is the additional little Ziva has made an appearance. She woke up from her nap. So I created this Katrina crown using some flowers that I picked up at the 99-cent store. And I dazzled it up with some gems that my sweet friend Rhonda shared with me in a mermaid swap. And some confetti pieces, spider confetti pieces, some more of the foam flowers. And so I basically took one of the crowns from the, I believe it's the 99-cent store. It's one of those birthday crowns that you pick up that's already has the little feathers on it, and I just hot glued everything together for her to create this Katrina crown. And I added a little feather. If you can see that there's a little feather flourish just to add a little flair, and then I added a little bow inside of the rose for her. So I have included that in my package. I also found this at Tuesday Morning. She has a cat. I don't believe it's a black cat, but I believe her name is Sally. And I thought, since her YouTube name is Cat, spelled with a K, I decided to enclose this as part of her birthday gift. Her birthday was in late August. Here is the SKU, and I got this at Tuesday Morning. And so it's a soap dispenser. It is Scary Berry scented, and it's refillable too. So I included that in her package, along with this really cute, of course it matched, doesn't it, with a little kitty. The really cute cat wearing a witch's hat. Let me kind of pan out a little bit so you can see. There's 2 kitchen towels. And this is what it looks like. It's darling. I loved it with the stripe shirt. So cute. And so I hope she likes that. That's another part of her little birthday gift. It's from Cynthia Rowley, Curious Line from New York. And there's this one I got at Home Goods. So this is what the price is. And it's a set of 2 kitchen towels. I don't know if you can look it up by the SKU or not, but in any case, I did find this at Home Goods. If you're looking for it, go run and get it because it's so super duper cute. So I actually picked up these items because I knew that Abby was doing her Kataween, 100 Days of Kataween, And so when I found all of these items, there was a purple and the green, the purple and the lime greens were the accent colors. So I wanted to base my theme based on those additional colors, which I feel like I have been able to accomplish. I did pick this up as well at TJ Maxx for $1.99, and I found these. I just thought the bats, incorporating the bats with the witch theme, and it says Happy Halloween, was extra fun. So let me put this to the side and continue by sharing with you how I decorated and created this embellishment.